Yamache yamwa kwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi eso yadani ase ni nkwanshan sam so ne ode amaya de pachi ya foforo so ebebo akwamu nti ya hye so na bribia ofidie ne de nda ha ye also tibia nso ye de mawo no sia na nya bonti no de asie o mai mu no ebraso sa otibie Adom TV Badwam kase ne yetodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti any civil society organization say wo mo ba mo ani adaho free say aboa wo na implementation of human rights say adwuma ho recommendations abano ebeba so sade tie no ye de mu nsam no ebebramo na NDC amanyoko komrahye bejafie mu akendifo no ensakraya bam wo mo dwamtene ne de nkyeremu abade ntia ekoba ne sasansam no na ensembi ena no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo Facebook /Adom TV kase no wo say go TV na wo ahwehwe or channel 176 and a DSTV and so channel no 280 bidin ediafia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said and some no enchemu ankasa etie civil society organizations say womo asin kete Ghana implementation of human rights and recommendations and womo ede ato ehonomo no ebe adwuma na we 42nd session of United Nations Universal Periodic Review ase ena wo mo de sanhye we akwakoto ho a civil service society organization no eso mbehwe se be ye adwuma Adom TV kase etoso make
sure say ye death penalty no ombe abolish that is ombe yi every Ghana constitution ni mu ye bompa ye say based on some interactions na akoso between Ghana as a state and other recommendation states no the recommendations are mo de ama Ghana no yen civil society ne government as well as development partners no better together now I'm making sure say these recommendations that Ghana are receiving no yeah implementing recommendations no because so previous review cycles now akoso no that is the first, second, third CCIA fourth one no some of these recommendations no so still like ejuma wo ho aban e was aban etu ho anamo making sure say recommendations no o implement in Ghana because o man hwe so anye ne year. What is likely to happen is during the next review in the next 5 years, no recommendations are most of these recommended states na aye ama abino. A very likely say a best repeating no, but ye bompa said that wouldn't be the case. Inti yes abine say or more share I implemented recommendations now or more involve civil society. Nessa develop.
Dwamtene dema NDC amanyoko ya Johnson esedun ketia na enra ne beto dwa sa NDC amanyoko no mrahye bedwafo mpanifo na kendifo no nsakraye abam oresedun ketia ba abontia ba be chechire mudi ntia san sakraye no ebemu.
We started reorganization of our structures to be able to position ourselves to fight election 2024. So the next in line is to take a look at our leadership in Parliament, and that is what we've just done. So in terms of timing, it is in line with the way we are prosecuting the national reorganization. And in terms of why, it means what it tells you is that the only constant thing in nature is change. And so since the environment is changing, leadership and many other things must change along the new environment. We know, for instance, that going into election 2024, the economy is going to be the major battleground. And so many of the debates and other discussions will focus on the economy. So we better put your best man in the economy forward, and that is what we've done. And then we also looked at energy, you know, this petroleum and electricity challenges, and so we needed to settle on Kofi Amabua, our former minister, to be the deputy minority leader. And then the other area is infrastructure, and Kwame Ogboja being our man in infrastructure should play a key role. So that generally is what informed the changes, but there are other things that
Wasanche mu ye Dwamtenani Johnson Esiedu nketi adeba ye ne de Tamale South NDC amanyoko achitafo no bibi entiase wo mabowra wo mo party natena ye ho e kire de enti a wo yi wo mrahye bedwani e de free ho second ni e da wano wo NDC afem wo mrahye bedwafie
started 1992 Munanye majority leader Mununguna have a majority leader Katigale Katikara by ABC Katikala majority Katilanga Mbappe Munanye majority leader and majority leader Katigale Katikara Wajime supposed to one of the current majority leader Munanye majority leader and majority leader Traveling Kabaton
that don't make mistake to try to come to Tamale South. When you come to Tamale South, we'll show you that, and then we are popular. I'm telling you honestly.
If you look at the position of minority leader, not only in Tamale South, but the role he plays in Ghana politics today, it's a very big mistake leadership is making. And I think they need to reconsider their decision if indeed they want such to win 2024 elections. Because for me, it goes beyond the leader of Tamale South. We see him as the leader for progressive development in the party. A lot of people, not only for Tamale South, Northern Ghana, and beyond, depends on him for their not only political groups, academic groups, any other thing we can mention. So if some few members or leadership from the party top hierarchy would take such a decision without making consultation at the grassroots to see the contribution he's making to the party, I think it's unfortunate.
Adom TV, Badwam Kasia na uguso na State Interest and Governance Authority, SIGA. One my yenshishemu ewie ediafa state-owned enterprises. One more 2021 auditors report on said yesikesem aye wentwi afefa bebinom ne ade no. One my ye yenshishemu na ewie na yaban anamampani na de tu just a SIGA for yenshishemu fa sika 17.4 billion cedis no a adane nkwanta fa baby ni nti woma de womo report akọ chief of staff ma me fremo se opare ho amono so age a ehun Adom TV kase etwaso.
Unfortunately, our history before SIGA, we were not doing these things in a very systematic and clinical way. But with SIGA and now with the collaboration that we have working with controller, PPA, auditor general, you cannot hide. We are 20 years time to baby Anna, Yababe Fause, I'm not now a CEO and I'm now a chairman. This is what happened. Brabe Yuano.
And wechi and also afa wono and a share abai enyuma awodo so Joseph Kojo editu dwase obeti wani ahwesiga yi pa sebe ye ko yanimu no sa ohawi ebi NCBM ewo enyumako awodo emu
nti ono no kire de SIGA wo edwuma ye as a companies in share SIGA se anka kire obi na odo hwe but one of the companies almost ni nyina share SIGA se o kire edwuma beto SIGA do or make sure the infractions on sun in CBO. In the meeting, President ne ejuma no de share SIGA ansano. SIGA ewie ma SIGA de report na betukwa.
Na no si yepe and chief of staff akosia fremo so pare enso edin sama wodu bi etuja.
The government remains committed to finding lasting solutions to the problem of non-compliance with financial reporting requirements. As such, all SOEs are expected to mainstream appropriate implementation measures to carry out the recommendations detailed in this report.
Human Rights Court 1 ama enipa mienu bi bill John Ade ne Abu Musa ya yesusuo se abayo ama tatete ya nipa bi etwa ne tikun no free asase wonim hu bi no ya ma won bill inchemu no Adom TV kase edeba.
Arehusemi esi wo sehwebekwai etuama na ye humomo bosome e wa fimpinu ene aduonum mu na Adom Kasiama ne boni Augustin Boa e de sama ne boi e ba.
Arehusem si e wo sehwebekwai ne se abaye bia wodi mfishan ba duasan ne pompo so eko wabehu se ye twaniti afriso a de na beto dan foforo bi afi na wosi ewo sehwebekwai hasi
kotno ema won mu be onu ewieye no ene wo hyese na wotwemienu entemu no da bia wonfa won ho emekire kotno registry na fe wonya ahoboa entu esika wodi atu wonti so na wonfa two sureties no enka ho kondua amufa eye enipa mienu lawyer ni wani amani buni etwetwe nkomo wa bra kotno de na setena ba wiye
da Nyankopon ase se ene onam na adom no numubu hu so ma John Ade alias na kwasi kokore a office sehwebekwai one abu musa ye ba ha koto ha ni amomu bill bio ni edika amomu bill je ba na nyeni pa bi de the police force akoche wo mu de wo bagum but court say ye momu bill ni sentia ne say sofwata ene solo aka bu mu se jetum se omu mienu ka bu mu kwa pam se omu ni pa binum se omu de asem ebeto John Ade so because boni awaye nyina se owusika ukrumo ene ababedi adwa enye obi ne koka ye no aka se obi akotu esika ma obi na emom eye sa nipa kro na solo no ne sofo atano ne se omobo opo mu ne nipa bi bo opo se ye mo John Ade di apie wo court egyina so se ye ma John Ade wa ma John Ade ne abu musa bill de betimi aka ne se nhira nka Nyankopon na nhira nso nka jeje ne omo ka ho nyina se enokre no ye di sie na so na de enokre na dadi ede Nyankopon se de na nra obose se ye de kwasi ade aba remand na ya che no onsini trase de otia bonten a ono de ne dia ne se otworo nsem fa ho de gu kwasi ade mu ase ene court ne ho fi no ye du sa bia na ye behu se de besi
me kasa sese kuani a wonya mfie aduanan enso ne din ade cha soko wada Winneba Trauma and Specialist Hospital ni nyina ne se kuani abayu ana ba a wono so ne din ade ya na de sekan etwa no ni nyina ya asase ehye so emansuntia Adom TV etwaso
Ghana Police Service any okada for motor for ye na ye use motor edidi
aban ye krado pa nti ye sha wo for ne se omofo munyim awofo bi o ko school kura na ba onto pen kura ma na obo so beto onto book so ye se o ye se free ne ba no kura nya akonya ntran so obetimi aboa me nya empa ne akonya ma no se o aban se free nti no
ya watwitwa owrai ne story no beba wo nkase a semoni nti yenko okadafo no ho wo mu kire mu se ene aposifo ye won kran ha tata won pa de achi bia ye je wo mu kada no free won monsem eno nti won so aye nsentwefo nhia mu de nsemi atuja
Ghana Police Service any okada for motor for ye na ye use motor edidi akwani abanyina omo ne ye adi ne nyonyonyo de nti na me kan we ye be chiw ye se kofa license bra road worthy insurance any motor ni document who design man nyina akwa na police for agi photocopy na ya twa photo di ato na ka kiro se ko na bra na awotwi se ne ye be gi motor na ka kiro se ko na bra na awotwi mienu je na wo ne wo yire ne wo mabedi ekwa di ye wo yabusia mu ye ntimi ntua ye ma fees ye ntimi ntua ye rentings nyama bebre start say affect your life as a normal Ghanaian. Me amegina we yachi me motorbike Monday no me to motor no Saturday enwumre ana me di kosi fi ade chi Monday me kura me papers ene me license me kwa register motor awudo me hire na police for ne chi me ene ya na awotwe ene da baako
o signed to aposifo yenim se sanamo a wo mo etu ade chi omanfo yi so mo hu se nipa bonfo bi efra wo mo hwe se mra no ene ne bedi na mum wo mo de wo mo dwuma wo mo eye no wo mo nim se eye krojin
ye chiu na moto na ukura no wato moto wakwatwa number plate fake di ataria emra ne wunni na mum se ye be chiu na ya ka se bia nipa ba ko a ye hwehwe na achi nti ye parking moto 1,000 of motorbikes se ye nyina ye nko parking moto na ye ni
Central Regional Coordinator da Free SHS ano de adese to awofo nanim abane ye ne famudie awofo nso ya sade se ye be ya aboa ye ma no e wo nwumasuamu nso ye nye de
Meka cha ma atan ne se aban ye krado pa nti ye sha awofo ne se omofo munyim awfo bi o ko school kura na ba onto pen kura ma na obo beto onto book so yes o yes e free ne ba no kura nya akonya ntran so obetimi aboa me nya empa ne akonya ma no se o aban se e free enti no okọ na ne ba ne da form enti yesra mo so mu nyina form hunyim.
Director General, Adom Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, Cape Coast University School Ponimno, Dr. Michael Boachi Adom, and so Editor Ghana Education Service in him say, Omo Faniema and Wakwam, and Famua a teacher for, send your doom rare, your two moko baby say Womo and Koye Jumana, Womo etimi ako.
As a test, no, Upusunu Kawase, way in the whole way no intiminko. But at the end of the day, no, and Colana or Hono, and your fault, and Omotisa area. Obi Ghana for intino e kwan bi e be fa so a ye betimi a motivate ya encourage teachers ama makoho no matena no matimi aboa ama ye nyina atete nkwala na se fa so.
Acting Central Regional Director Adom Education Justin Ivy Apawu enso de nsem bi atudwa edefa enkonya ene niema bi a wo mo ede besua ade a enoso e won patemu ho no.
Your challenges like buildings, classrooms, furniture, sometimes textbooks for the children, then teaching and learning materials. Until this time, we have adopted our own teaching and learning materials to do so that we can be able to help the children.